Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on the channel. So like 5 minutes ago, I got the best phone call of my life. There is a Cat Eye Chevy down at the mechanic shop that just got traded in. And it is rusted out and everything, so he asked if we wanted it, and I told him, heck yes, and I would be down in 20. So, it takes like 10 minutes, like 20 minutes to get there. So, I mean, yeah, if you guys do enjoy today's video, help me out by liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications so you get notified when I do post or go live. We will get back to you. I will get back to you guys as soon as we are at the mechanic shop. Alright guys, it's been about 10-ish minutes, and there is the new Cat Eye that is ours, so I will get back to you guys as soon as we have the Cat Eye loaded up. So if you guys don't mind waiting just a sec, that is perfectly fine with me. See you guys in just a second. Alrighty guys, we have the Cat Eye loaded up, and now sorry about that, guys. Let's go ahead and back our way on out. See, we're slinging rocks now. Slinging rocks. About to bust a toe mirror. Our brand new toe mirror we just put on the good old Cummins. 3 days ago. So now we'll get back to you guys. I will get back to you guys as soon as we are at the farm. But first, I have to make a stop at the gas station and fill up with some diesel. Alright guys, I will get back to you guys as soon as we are done getting filled up with diesel and back at the farm. So see you guys in just... Alright guys, we are back here at the farm. We will be dropping the car into the shop, and then I will get back to you guys after the Cat Eye is done and out of the shop. So 4-wheel drive real quick, load gear, get ourselves up here, and over here to the shop. Let's go ahead. There we go, we got some tires, skids. There's some more. We will be... Alright. Well, first off, I will get back to you guys as soon as we have the Cat Eye fired up and we can go out and destroy it. So, guys, I'll get back to you guys here in just a sec. Alright guys, we got the Cat Eye to fire. Wow, it shoots flame and it's pretty fast right after that. So, we will turn left right here. And come through here and play in the mud and all that stuff right through here. We'll come back right over here. Like I said, just trying to destroy the truck as much as we can. maybe submerge it in this water right here. We are in the water. It does not seem like anything is happening, but we hit this log on this fence right here. We hit the fence there. Slightly above. Scare the horses. And look at that, we're flinging mud. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like there's an old shed back here on my property. Destroy it. That's great. Alright guys, we have officially destroyed the truck, as you can see right here by the speedometer where the wrench and screwdriver is. We are out on health, or we are completely destroyed. I'm surprised the truck is still running, and I will get back to you guys as soon as the truck is all fixed up in the shop and it runs really good. So, and I guess we'll see you guys then. So see ya for now. We will get back to you guys. I will get back to you guys as soon as the Durmax is done. Alrighty guys, so I just got the Durmax done. Took me about 3 weeks to get the Durmax completely done. And then I just got done installing a manual transmission on the Cummins. So, let's lock her into 4-wheel drive and come over here to the shop so y'all can see it. And there is the Durmax sliding down the ramp I had put it on because it is too long, I'm guessing. But, so that is the new Durmax. Now we can just sit here, hold the pedal, and watch this. We are rolling coal, baby. We are rolling coal all over my floors because we got the dual axle dump exhaust on the new Cummins. Well, the new dual axle dump exhaust on the Cummins. But, yep, so, I'll get back to you guys as soon as we have the new Durmax out and we are driving it. So, if you guys don't mind waiting just a sec, you'll see the Durmax here in just a second. Alright guys, so here is the Durmax. Let's go ahead, launch the drone so I can show you around the new Durmax. So, for the new Durmax, we have the new tow mirrors. Because, I mean, what's a Durmax without tow mirrors? We got the single axle dump exhaust on it, which makes it seem really, really cool. Solid axle pro axles, heavy duty, and then we got cool front bumper. And so, yep, let's return to the vehicle and let's go test her out real quick. But first, turn back over here. Carefully come through here with the so let's go ahead, lock the brand Durmax drive really, really nice. So, and if we rip through here, it's just spawning up mud for us. So, like I said, if you guys do enjoy this video, like I said, consider like, subscribing, turning on post notifications so you get notified when I do post or go live. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you on the next one with our new Durmax. So, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I do post or go live. And, like I said, see you guys later, and see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.